Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload high quality photo or video to Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and first of all we can go to our Instagram profile and click on this three lines button to open the Instagram setting. In here we can scroll down and we have to click on data usage and media quality. Just click on the setting. And here, if you want to upload high quality photo or video to your Instagram, you just need to activate this feature, upload at highest quality. Click on the circle button to activate it. And right after you activate this feature, the photo or video that you want to upload to Instagram will be uploaded at highest quality. But just remember that uploading at highest quality needs more internet data. Then it will take longer time as well to be uploaded to Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can upload high quality photo or video to Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.